The new Galaxy A55 is the successor to last year's Galaxy A54. It has a new design and improved specs. But how much of an upgrade is it really? Let's unbox it and take a look. It comes with now standard set of USB Type-C to C cable, SIM ejection tool and a user manual. It comes wrapped in a soft sheet of paper. The awesome lemon color is frankly awesome, but not unique as we have seen this before. Samsung has increased the size to 6.6 inches this year compared to the last year's Galaxy A54 6.4 inches. So you do get a bigger display this year. You will find a key island with a raised side rail containing the power and volume button. This is a small hint of design change you will find in most of the Samsung's new mid-rangers. Also this time the frame is made out of metal compared to last year's matte plastic frame. You get hybrid SIM slot. So either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and a micro SD at a time. Is using Gorilla Glass Victus for solid protection, which is great compared to last year's Gorilla Glass 5. You get Android 6.1 right out of the box with some new AI features. It also gets 120Hz adaptive display. In terms of camera, it has the same specs as last year, but I'm sure there will be differences as the camera sensor size is bigger this year. So wait for my camera test comparison coming soon on my channel. Let's see them side by side now. Galaxy A55 definitely has slightly bigger screen, and also the camera sensor size looks bigger than the Galaxy A54. In terms of performance, it gets slightly better processor this year, Exynos 1480 compared to last year's 1380. If Galaxy A54 was successful, I'm sure this one also has high chances to repeat the success for Samsung and is a great option in Samsung's mid-range lineup. Well, that's it for now. More videos coming soon, so stay tuned. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.